In today's video, we're showing you how to make a detox face mask. For this mask, you'll need 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric oil, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, and 3 tablespoons of distilled water. We're going to mix everything into a bowl, and we will start with the bentonite clay. So you want to make sure that you're not using any metal with bentonite because it can lose some of its effectiveness if it comes into contact with metal. So we are going to use a plastic spoon to scoop the clay powder into our bowl. Bentonite is a really amazing detoxifier. You'll notice we use it in other detoxifying recipes like our bath soaks, our foot mask, and our underarm detoxifier. And while other clays are really great as well for your skin, we recommend for detox properties that you use the bentonite because it is the best clay for absorbing toxins and impurities from your skin. We'll then add our remaining ingredients, and for the rest of the ingredients you can use metal. We're just avoiding any metal when it's coming in contact with the bentonite. For the turmeric root oil, you can buy this or you can check out our other video that shows you how to make it at home. It's a really great oil for your skin, and we use it in other recipes like our spot treatment. Finally, we'll mix in our water, and we're going to mix it in 1 teaspoon at a time, and just because it makes it easier to get everything evenly mixed. And you'll notice that we're using a wooden spatula to mix this all together to avoid using any metal. So you want to add enough water so that you have a very easily spreadable mixture. Once you've added the water, you should have a consistency that looks something like this. And then you can apply the mask to your face, neck, and chest and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off.